During his first official visit to the People's Republic of China, German Chancellor Friedrich Merz made a high-profile stop at Unitree's humanoid robot factory in Hangzhou. He got an up-close and personal look at the technology that captivated and shocked the world during the 2026 Spring Festival Gala. Though he appeared amused, the Chancellor is walking a geopolitical tightrope less than a year into his first term. He's on a mission to strengthen ties with China while avoiding over-reliance on its industrial prowess. Deutschland's manufacturing leaders are accelerating into humanoids far sooner than conventional wisdom predicted. Like Beijing, they view success in the age of intelligent machines as an existential imperative. Unitree's founder and CEO Wang Xingxing personally welcomed Merz and showcased the 10-year-old company's line of humanoid and quadrupedal robots. Just before the visit, Unitree shared this footage of its kung fu fighting humanoids doing a synchronized routine at Beijing's Temple of Heaven. The choreography is powered by the same fully autonomous cluster control technology that made Unitree's Spring Gala spectacle possible. For now, it's mostly for entertainment, but Unitree wants to apply it in places like warehouses and factories. The system, which is specifically engineered for large performances, can reportedly execute complex actions with a single click. A central computer creates the movement plan for the robots and sends commands wirelessly to each unit with instructions on where and when to move. Each robot uses its onboard sensors to follow the commands and maintain balance. The humanoids follow the same timing so their motions stay in sync, while the system checks position data to keep spacing consistent. Unitree, which leads the world in both biped and quadruped robot deliveries, opened its new factory in Hangzhou last year to keep up with surging demand. The robotics firm aims to manufacture up to 20,000 humanoids in 2026, as it heads toward an initial public offering on Shanghai's tech-heavy star market. Unitree is aggressively moving to push its cluster tech beyond flashy demos. While it's been sharing viral clips showcasing the athletic capabilities of its robots, the company is also testing its compact and full-sized humanoids with Chinese EV makers like NIO and Geely. Humanoids working together in a coordinated group could speed up production and lower costs for manufacturers that are struggling to find enough workers. While most factory robots are built to do one job in one place, humanoids could theoretically shift tasks and move where they're needed. Unitree's founder says global mass deployment may be 3 to 5 years away, depending on major artificial intelligence breakthroughs that companies are spending billions to achieve. In Germany, BMW has deployed humanoids engineered for around-the-clock labor to help assemble electric vehicles. The luxury automaker says it's piloting AEON robots from the Swedish industrial automation powerhouse Hexagon at its plant in Leipzig. The facility, opened in 2005, spans 2.3 million square meters and employs about 6,800 workers. It produces around 1,300 vehicles a day, or more than 250,000 annually. The plant is known for its flexible manufacturing system that builds gas, hybrid, and fully electric vehicles on the same production lines. BMW plans to use Hexagon's flagship humanoids for assembly work, high-voltage battery production, and component manufacturing. Initial testing began in December 2025. The manufacturer is currently piloting at least 2 of the robots, and a larger pilot is scheduled for later in 2026. Hexagon built AEON in collaboration with NVIDIA. Standing 165 centimeters, or 5 feet 4 inches, AEON boasts a reported 34 degrees of freedom. It has a hybrid bipedal and wheeled locomotion system. With it, the robot can use its feet to climb steps, and its wheels to roll fast across factory floors. It can swap out its own battery to work around the clock, thanks to its hot swappable battery system in its chest. According to Hexagon, AEON reaches top speeds of 2 meters per second, which is about twice as fast as the average human walking speed. The 60-kilo robot can carry up to 15 kilograms or 33 pounds for short durations, and 8 kilos or 17 pounds continuously. BMW previously piloted industrial humanoids from Silicon Valley-based Figure at its plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina. That deployment, initially described as permanent, ended after 11 months, during which time an undisclosed number of Figure's second-generation robots reportedly helped assemble more than 30,000 vehicles. Another German luxury automaker, Audi, is working with the Swiss startup Mimic Robotics to take on fine motor assembly work that industrial robots have struggled with for decades. Zurich-based Mimic is developing robotic hands that boast a reported 21 degrees of freedom, which puts it in the upper echelon of dexterous end effectors hitting the market, like Singapore's Sharpa Wave and China's Wuji Hand. According to Mimic, the Dexterity approaches the capabilities of human hands, which typically have 27 degrees of freedom. Mimic, launched in 2024, just shared this footage of its robotic hands precisely installing trim components inside an Audi door frame. According to Mimic, the hands are engineered for tasks requiring fine finger coordination and complex grasping patterns. They can reportedly handle payloads up to 7 kilograms or 15 pounds and operate with sub-millimeter precision. The hands mount onto standard industrial robot arms that are ubiquitous in automotive manufacturing. Mimic's end effectors are powered by the startup's proprietary artificial intelligence that's heavily trained on human demonstrations. The company was spun out of ETH Zurich, with early support from Swiss innovation programs like VentureKick and the European Space Agency's Business Incubation Center. Mimic has raised about $16 million in seed funding to date to scale its system. Another German industrial giant, Schaeffler Group, is aggressively expanding its humanoid robotics program. The manufacturer makes the precision moving parts that help cars, machines, and factory equipment run smoothly and efficiently. Schaeffler has been one of the most active industrial players piloting and planning large-scale humanoid deployments. Over the past 14 months, the company has forged partnerships with Germany's Neuro Robotics, Oregon-based Agility Robotics, the British startup Humanoid, and others. Under the agreements, Schaeffler plans to deploy hundreds of humanoids in its own production facilities over the next 5 years. Its partnership with Neuro Robotics aims to integrate thousands of humanoids across its factories by 2035. The manufacturer is also taking an active role in building next-gen robots. It's agreed to supply the London-based robotics firm Humanoid with its advanced actuators and related systems for wheeled and bipedal robots. Meanwhile, in the US, a fast-rising humanoid startup is gaining attention with its ambitions to deploy its robots onto the battlefield. It's even developing its own artificial intelligence system, literally called Skynet. For more on that, check the related video.